I have 3 more outfits to go. Terrible rash like the
Dandiya event lo ee andamaina amma evaru inta.
Hello, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're my channel, I'm Akanksha. So, bye China lipstick. I'm at my parents' house. I'm here actually to get an outfit. What is this disruption and interruption while I'm doing my vlog? Hello guys. Yeah, so basically Shreema, one of my friend, you guys know, her brother's wedding is coming up, and I'm trying to get outfits sorted for the wedding because there are multiple events. So right now I'm actually going to Anu Gupta label. ఏమైనా ఉంటే చెప్పేసి కొంచెం నాకు ఐ విల్
ఎట్లా కనిపిస్తున్న పిక్స్ లో బయటికి పోయినప్పుడు దిగుతాం.
సరే either way I'm basically going to get my half sari done, and right now also I'm looking for like something a little traditional half sari sorts, because again it's a Telugu wedding and all of us friends have decided to wear half saris. My sister is wearing a sari though. This is my first outfit. I've not gotten any outfit ready yet. Wedding I'll do it. Sangeet I'm thinking I'll do maybe another lehenga, but more like party blingy. Not sure yet, but yeah, let's just go first get my half sari thing sorted. Say hi to Koshe.
Contrast hatke
Trying to decide between these 4. Outfit 1 is done. I have 3 more outfits to go. Okay, another day, another shopping spree. But look at my skin. I don't know who put nazar. I just woke up with such a terrible rash. Like there's so many tiny bumps on my face. If I touch it, it's literally like I'm touching like a road. It's so bumpy and rough, and I don't know why. Out of nowhere that happened, and it's like super red, super triggered kind of thing. Anyways, I am actually going to go pick my jewelry for the wedding. Now outfit, I'm wearing a half sari. I don't want to like do too much because it's not like it's Shreemai's wedding, it's Shreemai's brother's wedding. So I want to keep it light. So probably one chain and then earrings and martis and obviously bangles. I'm wearing a half sari, so I'm going to keep it kind of muted, but I want to pick up jewelry because I do not have anything that suits my outfit, and my sister also wants to pick. So both of us are going to go see what we like and get it. And we are actually going to the store called Mayuka Jewellery. It's like a 92.5% premium silver jewelry. My sister is driving me for the first time. For once in her life. She's always the passenger princess.
మన నైట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అప్పుడు నేను మా అమ్మ తీసుకొచ్చి వర్ష పెళ్లి రోజు.
That was the first time you ever drove. I mean, consider
మన మమ్మీ దగ్గర ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అప్పుడు హెడేక్ ఇస్తున్నా, నాతోనే డ్రైవ్ చేయించినావు.
అవన్నీ చెప్పొద్దు అట్లా ఫస్ట్ టైం డ్రైవింగ్. అయితే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు మయూకా జ్యువెలరీ స్టోర్. వాళ్ళకి 3 స్టోర్స్ ఉన్నాయి హైదరాబాద్ లో. మేము వెళ్ళేది జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ స్టోర్. వాళ్ళది కొత్త స్టోర్ అనమాట జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ ది. అయితే వాళ్ళకి చాలా అమేజింగ్ ఆఫర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఐ విల్ లీవ్ దెమ్ ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్ ఆల్ ది ఆఫర్స్. కానీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆఫర్ ఇస్ లైక్ ఇఫ్ యూ షాప్ ఫర్ 1 lakh మీకు ఒక డైమండ్ రింగ్ ఫ్రీ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. 50,000 చేస్తే ఒక వాచ్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ దే ఆల్సో డూ లైక్ 70% ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆన్ లైక్ 92.5% లైక్ సిల్వర్ జ్యువెలరీ. సో అవన్నీ ఆఫర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనమాట. అండ్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర లైక్ వాస్ట్ కలెక్షన్ కూడా ఉంది. నేను వాళ్ళ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ పేజ్ చూసిన. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర రియలీ ప్రిటీ నెక్లెసెస్, ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ అన్ని ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ దే లైక్ చాలా లైక్ వాస్ట్ కలెక్షన్, నక్షి కలెక్షన్, విక్టోరియన్ కలెక్షన్, స్వరోస్కి కలెక్షన్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఉన్నాయి అనమాట. సో నాకేమైనా ఒక షార్ట్ నెక్లెస్ చూస్తున్నా లైక్ ఎట్ కొంచెం ఎంత ఇట్లా హెవీ ఏం అనుకోవట్లే. అంటే జ్యువెలరీ తోటి ఎనీథింగ్ కెన్ లైక్ బీ లైక్ టూ ఎక్స్ట్రా టూ మినిమల్, రైట్? సో అందుకే కొంచెం మినిమల్ జ్యువెలరీనే యూస్ పోయి యాక్చువల్లీ ఐల్ గో సీ కలెక్షన్. మేబీ షార్ట్ చైన్ వస్తే షార్ట్ చైన్, లాంగ్ చైన్ వస్తే లాంగ్ చైన్. సో వీఆర్ హియర్. దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ యాక్చువల్లీ రైట్ ఆపోజిట్ స్పైసీ వెన్యూ ఇన్ జూబ్లీ హిల్స్. So let's go. In my mind, I thought like a polki or a kundan set would go very well with the half sari that I actually picked. But once I was trying everything, all the pieces, this one necklace especially, I really liked. But overall, when I was looking at my outfit, picturing this, it just didn't go well. But this one necklace I really found very pretty. Actually, this was very well going with my sister's outfit, so we were kind of considering that. So what is the price range like?
52,600. No, this is pure silver jewelry. But the plating is gold.
Yeah, that's it.
This is what I like.
Searching for earrings. Short, sweet, simple. To their entire collection and trying like literally over 20-30 pieces, I finally finalized on two things which I really like, and my sister also did. If you're looking for good quality modern traditional silver jewelry, then definitely check out Mayuka Silver Jewellery. They have 3 different stores. I will leave all the details in the description, but oh my god, the collection I love, especially this long chain. I'm so obsessed with. Finally back home. That took way longer than I expected. There are so many collections to go through. But guess what I picked? I picked like 1-2 options, and hopefully they suit my outfit. I don't have my blouse yet to kind of try it on, but I really love those 2 pieces. So hopefully one of them goes like perfectly with my outfit. But you have to stay tuned. Comment below thinking like what do you think I have chosen. My English will go once the minute I am tired. Day 2 of shopping. Only we did the wedding outfit shopping. No, today I'm going to go finalize hopefully all the outfits, haldi, mehendi and sangeet. We are going to this store called Adya. Basically, I'm sourcing outfits only. Even the wedding outfit, I got it sourced. A few perks of being an influencer is that. But yeah, that outfit is getting made. But the rest, I am going to go and source what is already there. So first, we are going to this label or brand called Adya, and it's in Banjara Hills. I don't have my car today, so we are going in the cab. Going in a cab in Hyderabad is very weird, especially since I bought my car. It's been oh my god, it's been 2 years that I got my car also. Time is literally like flying. But yeah, first stop is Adya. Hopefully I will find, I'm thinking I'll pick 2 outfits from them and 1 outfit from somebody else, just to like try different labels, so that you know, when there is my wedding or my sister's wedding, we actually know where to go. But there are 1-2 outfits that I really like that I want to pick, especially for mehendi. And then lehenga, I'm thinking for sangeet, which is like a more bling vibe. There's like a dress code for every event, right? So we are going to go do that. For sangeet, haldi, mehendi. If anybody sees, they'll be like, Papam, Chini does not have any clothes. Her room is filled with clothes that she does not have place to put clothes. It's everything displayed outside somewhere. But yeah, let's go. Like color చాలా pretty ఉంది, but నాకు బ్లౌజ్ too much cleavage and కింద నుంచి కూడా గ్యాప్ వచ్చినట్టు. నెక్స్ట్ అవుట్ఫిట్
బ్లాక్ కలర్ డ్రెస్ కూడా ట్రై చేశాను.
యా, మేబీ ఫర్ సంగీత్ యాక్చువల్లీ అది తీసుకురండి బ్లాక్ పి. దీనికి ఏం దుపట్టా లేదు, మిర్రర్ అడ్డం వచ్చింది ఏమన్నా. But after decide if I want to wear this or the other one. It's very loose.
Yes, I know. इसमें ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाएगा.
అలా నాకు బ్లౌజ్ ఇది దిస్ ఇస్ టూ స్మాల్. ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది కదా నాది. I finalized 2 outfits. Very nice. I just got done with 1 store. They actually had really pretty stuff. I showed you a lot of options. You should guess which one I will pick for the events. I actually found 2 only cute. I think I'll take 2 from them. I'm going to another store now, which is called Shasha Gaba, and then maybe there I'll see like a few things and then final what I want to take. But in all outfits which you saw, which one do you think I liked and I picked? You let me know in the comments. My sister also actually tried one lehenga, which is so damn nice. It was like orange, but there's literally no event appropriate to wear that for this wedding, so we just left it. But yeah, on to the next one.
another shopping. Unfortunately, basically I thought I was done with the wedding shopping, but unfortunately the half sari which I'm supposed to wear for the wedding, the person who is basically making it told that their worker fell sick and they have some issue back end, and so they are not able to make it. So I have to go now, source some other outfit, or I have to figure if I have a sari of mom's, maybe I have to get a blouse done, I do not know. But today one person has told me that they will try to give me lehenga, so I'm going to go see options. I'm going to go to Swati Veldandi. I actually wore her lehenga to one of my friends' wedding last year as well. I really like her collection, so hopefully I'll find something there. If not, then I have to figure out what to wear for the wedding, and it is in 1 week. I have nothing to wear yet. First stop, coffee. My matcha, iced. Okay, I think I'll try the pink and the purple. I think blouse I'll try both. Skirt you can. Skirt కూడా ఇది కూడా 2 pinks ఉన్నాయి. ఈ పింక్ బ్లౌజ్ కూడా సూట్ అవుతుంది.
ఇంతకుముందు చూపించినారు ఈ పింక్ బ్లౌజ్, ఈ పింక్ బ్లౌజ్ నాకు తెలిసి 3 ట్రై చేయండి, 3 పింక్స్.
This is nice, but the blouse is not matching. Trying to like mix and match few colors to see what I like. This is my TD, by the way. That took longer than I expected. Yeah, call. That took longer than I expected, but I think I finalized my outfit. I showed you so many combinations and different things. So you guys guess which one I picked. I will pick this outfit later, but now I have to go pick my Sangeet outfit because the Sangeet is literally in few hours. Then we have to pick my sister's outfit also. We had given that for alteration. And then we have to go start getting ready, and it's already 4:30, 4 o'clock almost. But now I have to try my Sangeet outfit also if it's going to fit properly or not. Hopefully the alteration vagara is done. I went to select my outfit 1 week earlier. We gave measurements, everything. I tried the outfit 4 times now, and it is still very loose. And I was literally in the store for 1 hour. I'm getting so late. I was supposed to start getting ready by now, but now I'm going and they will rapido my outfit and then I have to wear it. After pre-planning some things also, then it gets still delayed. I don't know why, but what is BT only? Yeah, 1 hour literally got wasted after, despite going 1 week before and then sorting the whole outfit and everything. Now I wanted to basically at least go on little decent time, not like super late. Now I have to go shoot also. We just picked my sister's outfit and then now we're going. Hopefully my outfit reaches by the time I go and I start getting ready. My outfit reached, I shot, I got ready, and this was me on the way to the Sangeet.
So, ఇప్పుడు లవ్ ఎలా అయిందో మాకు చెప్తారా? కొంచెం మాకు కూడా మీ స్టోరీ తెలుసుకోవాలని.
బ్యాడ్మింటన్
ఎప్పుడు అరేంజ్ చేసింది అడగండి ఒకసారి. మమ్మీ ఎప్పుడు అరేంజ్ చేసినావు? 2023లో మా మమ్మీ డాండియా ఈవెంట్ లో ఈ అందమైన అమ్మాయి ఎవరు ఇంత బాగా ఆడుతుంది, డాల్ లాగా ఉంది అని చెప్పి అరేంజ్ చేసింది. దాని తర్వాత ఏమైందో షిరీని అడుగుదాం. ఓకే,
bag and I had lenses which I removed because it was a long night, and I just want to show you my full outfit before I change. I think I love it. It's like a very Bollywood core, like I don't know. I just feel like it's a core Bollywood moment for me. I love the fit. It looks really nice, and this is how my makeup looks. Minus the lenses, but yeah, I'm very tired. I'll go sleep.
One and go! Can you say something? Go! Come on, faster, Charlie. You cannot hold it. Come on, faster. Leading, good job. You guys are leading. Faster. Hold their hand. Come on. Follow out. Faster. Come on, faster. Hold the team. Great job. Faster. Come on, you guys are leading.
I have to buy fire bangle. Okay guys, I got ready for the wedding and this is my final look. I'm obsessed with this look. I feel like I'm glowing. The jewelry is going so well. All this jewelry, by the way, you saw that I went to Mayuka to pick it, so everything is from them. I'll show you the entire look in a bit, but if you are looking to get jewelry, definitely check out Mayuka. They have 92.5 premium silver jewelry and all the offers which they have of the new store, I will keep it right here, so you can definitely go check it out too. But oh my god, just look at this. I love my entire look. I'm wearing bangles, necklace, earrings, mang tika. So this one is a very Victorian style piece. Like they have wide variety, right? I felt like this one was suiting my outfit the most. Oh, by the way, the half sari also, you did not know what I picked. This is the one I picked. I love it. I feel like the entire look turned out so well. I got my hair also looks really pretty. I will show everything in a minute, but yeah, I will leave the link to their website and their address, everything in the description box. You can definitely check out Mayuka. But this is how look. Show your full look. This is my full look. Fantastic, mind blowing, unbelievable. Cushy.
I'm in pure traditional and she's in Indo-Western.
Today's best. This is high waist look.
Chini